So after we have our footage in the project, in class we looked at going to the pull down for the project here, the hamburger, and turning on preview area and turning on thumbnails. So I'm just going to make this bigger. So this is the preview area up here, right? And these are the thumbnails, and we can change the size of the thumbnails by dragging like this. So the preview area is helpful because we can change the poster frame, right? Because this first frame of this swimmer is too far away to see what it is. So if I move the playhead so I can see him fully, then I can click the camera and now you'll see we have a new frame down here. I could do the same thing for this lady running. I can't see her. I'm going to go to find a frame and I'm going to click that. Another helpful shortcut when working with a project is tilde. So if you click tilde, it will toggle, and you can also make things bigger in this view. This is also really helpful if you're working on a laptop. So tilde is wherever your cursor is, it will toggle it full screen. So that's pretty handy. We looked at this pull down here, right? So whenever you load something up into here, so if you double click from your project, once you've double clicked, all of these clips are going to be available, right? So everything that I double click, when I go back to the pull down, I'm going to see them. So that means that you don't have to go back and double click here every time, right? Once you double click and load a clip up here, they're all up here, right? And then you can just click on one and select them. We can then set an in and out here. Remember, it's INO. Spacebar is your play and stop. This time code over here is the time code of where the playhead is, and this over here is the duration. So as we change our in and out, right, the duration changes. So we have about 4 seconds and 19 frames here. If I then click and drag this into my timeline, we'll get the hand and the plus. We let go, we create a sequence that's named the same thing as the clip. So you'll see the sequence here in the project is named Mixed Kit Man and Woman. You want to click on that, and I'm going to call it Sports Promo. So that's important to do, right? You don't want to get confused and have your sequence and your clips named the same thing.